Hello. Oh wow, sun kissed. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, wait. I'll just keep my camera here. I hope it doesn't fall. Wait. Amma. Wait. I'm so scared. Yep. Oof. I don't know what happened to my eyes. It's just like I don't know. Something happened to my eyes. It's just itching since the past 1 hour. And so yeah, I mean, oh crazy lighting. Because of my height, I can't even stand straight. Cool. So the reason why I actually oh my god, I have to come here. The reason why I actually decided to take this video is because I have an exam in 2 days. Which is like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the next day. And then day after tomorrow, it's the day of elections. I have to go vote. I'm gonna give my first vote. But the problem is though, I have my exam next day. And I haven't studied for it. Today I had my first exam which went okay, I think. But then this semester was it was good. I mean apart from fuck. Wait. Oh my god, I can't. Why was I born this tall, bro? My god, I literally see. This was the thing. I had to bend down this much in order to talk. I cannot. But I'll just sit somewhere. My god, there is no place. It's fine. I'm just gonna sit here. So yeah, there's no one at the park right now. So I'm just chilling. I have to be sleeping now because I kinda pulled an all-nighter. Not an all-nighter to be exact. Just some like 2 hours. No, I just slept for like 3 hours, 4 hours. So yeah, but then I can't sleep. I think it's because I cannot accept the fact that this semester is over. Right? I mean, this semester was so good actually. Like not in terms of academics. Obviously, I have always been not always, but then since college has started, I had always been this academic toothpick instead of an academic weapon. So I just broke. So yeah, I mean this semester I met a lot of new people, a lot of good people. I mean, I'm just gonna miss them, especially my professors. Oh my god, I love them so much. I mean, it's just that the impact they created on you, it stays, right? So yeah. Day. I'm like really allergic to that snow, but then see, I'm just sitting. I'm just literally sitting on this thing, and then there's no one in the park. Wow, I love my life. Unlimited. I love these days, right? You see, like just me and in the park. Oh my god, I miss those days. The fact that I can't see anything because my eyes, right? Something happened, and then it's continuously like I don't know, like I think there's some kind of infection. Only this one is like that, but then you can I don't think you can see a difference, but then yeah, this one, it's maybe because I don't know, but then the smoke is coming to me. Oh my god. Yeah, so what was I talking? Oh wow, my hair actually looks good today. Oh my god. I really hope no one comes now. I really hope. Oh my god, sonnone varangeda dai. There's no freedom of speech only. Wow, I'm just loving this place. What if I just come here every day and just talk rubbish? Wow, crazy. So yeah, I mean, I wanted to sleep actually, but then I couldn't sleep. But then I couldn't because I don't know why, and you can't tell, but then my head and this sinus thing, right? So I have this sinus pressure pain. It just usually comes. So I'm literally having that right now. Like I can't really do this, but then it's paining so much. But I don't know. I just want to be out. I just don't want to be home just like, oh my god, Isha, you're sick. Oh my god, you have headache all the time. No migraine. No, never. So yeah, I just like whenever that comes, I usually just come here and then sit because I just love this place. This is a place I've grown. Like I still remember that swing. It was broken. It was broken one day. Like it was really broken. They didn't fix it. Wow. Now I look like an Avi, bro. Wow. Let's go, bro. Fat முடியறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இசா ஆவி ஆயிட்டா. Oh my god. சத்தியமா தெரியல என்னாச்சு திடீர்னு. Okay, cool. அப்ப என்னாச்சு? So it was just like சும்மா ஹேங் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தாங்க இப்படி. அது சைடுல வந்து it was like this thing. So yeah, அது வந்து like they had two rods, iron rods, and then one wood thing. I mean, it wasn't that fancy those days. It was just like that. And then சும்மா மேலடி மாட்டி வச்சிருந்தாங்க. So what I did, I was a dumb head. I don't want to use curse words now, but then you know what I did? I just like மேல புடிச்சு தொங்குனேனா அது literally என்னோட weight, I was just like some second or third grade at that time. Fuck. So yeah, I was just a second or a third grade at that time. Why am I even caring about what people think? Just fuck off, huh? So yeah, so I was just a second or a third grade at the time. So my sister was in the Bharatanatyam class and I was just chilling out here. So my mom was also with her. It was just like there, like just 100 meters from here. I'll show you when I just walk around. So yeah, so what happened? Yeah, I just Tongana Chapak just came and Chapak, and then I was like, what happened? I touched it. There was blood. There was fucking blood. There was blood in my hands. I was like you know what? To this day, I have never told my parents about it that I've got something like this in my head. I never told anyone actually. This is the first time, bro. You know what? Everyone soft launch people. You know, I soft launch my injuries, which my mother don't like, which my mother doesn't like. I mean, she's always worried that I'm always like really clumsy. I am clumsy. I'm really clumsy. So yeah. What was I even talking about? So yeah, I'm just like chilling. Oh my god, wow, crazy. I have exam in 2 days. Like today, I had my exam, okay? I had my finals today. I have to chill a bit, right? I have to chill a bit. I can't just go back to studying update. No way. Election வருது பா, போய் ஓட்டு போடு. God, time to run from this place. Hey, kannu romba valikudra. Should I actually go to health center? Kannu actually romba valikudhu. Should I ponuma? Solluma. Wow, such a good air. Exam. Cha. Wow. I mean, one thing is coming to my mind that you start to enjoy nature when you have exams. You start to enjoy what is not in your syllabus. Crazy, wait. It's fine. Hey, crazy. See, I was here running. Like I used to come jog here. Those days, these plants weren't this big. It was like only this much. It has just grown so much. Wow. Wow, bro. Wow. I want to play cricket here one day, but then all my friends are not here. Like my friends are not here, so it's just me and these kids. Too much scene putting there. Oh my god, scene fellows. I'm like, oh no way, no. You know what? We used to play so much in my prime. Like, bro, wow, my crazy gang those days. We used to play all kind of games known to mankind. Cricket, football. Oh my god, I miss those days. Video எப்படி முடிக்கிறதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. So சும்மா I'm just walking. And I never really appreciated my phone's camera. I hated it. because you know, like sometimes iPhone camera, oh crazy bro, wow the lighting. So yeah, I've always criticized, not criticized, so yeah, it just got cut. So sometimes in iPhone, sometimes when you just like just take a picture, right, it just makes you so dark. I mean, not no racism, but then it just like kind of shows all the wrinkles, all the dark spots that you have in your face, right? I mean, this is beauty, okay, but when I take a picture it just goes off. So I don't really take picture, so I take a video instead and I post them on YouTube. Such, I don't know, I'm just stupid, I know that. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna go home, and I think most probably I'll put it with today. And if you're still wondering why are you posting videos, just you talking, nobody cares. Who cares? I care about it. I just want to look back to these videos when I grew up and then see, wow Isha, you were crazy. And yeah, I mean, YouTube is something is gonna be online, like on the internet till we die. So when I'm 60, when I'm 48, 50, I'm just gonna open YouTube, open Isha IRL, and then go search Isha. And then even today, right, I just watched my videos which I posted like two years ago, and it still wonders me that wow, I'm such a good kid, I'm such a funny kid. Oh my god, I comfort myself, you know. That is the point, right? Sometimes you should be your own motivation, you should be your own person. That is what I meant, right? So yeah, you just make yourself available for you. That is what matters, to be honest. Chai, ayyo, no. The uncle who was like smoke podra uncle vandu, not that smoke, but then the mosquito sprayer. அந்த அங்கிள் வந்து இல்லை இந்த பொண்ணு ரொம்ப நேரமாக ஃபோன் வச்சுட்டு பேசிட்டு அப்படின்னு பார்த்துருந்தாங்க. நான் பாய் சொல்கிறத பார்த்தேன், ஐயோ இந்த பொண்ணு முழு மென்டல் போல் நினச்சிக்கிறாங்க போல. பரவாயில்ல அங்கிள். வாவ். ஓகே கைஸ், ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் வீட்டுக்கு போகிறேன். வீட்டுக்கு போய் நான் சாப்பிட்டு கொஞ்ச நேரம் தூங்குறேன். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் கம்மிங் டில் தி எண்ட். I mean, I am damn sure that a lot of people won't watch this much, won't even open my video. But if you had watched this, if you had opened this, like if you are here, if you are listening to me right now, thank you. You are the real goat. Let's go, bro. Yeah, I have to go home. I'm just finding the shady place to walk, but then no way, I'm not gonna find it. So fucking sunny, bro. It's so fucking sunny. Actually going home, but then this little kid, every time I used to come from college, she'd be like, hi Akka, and then today I saw her, she was like, Akka, today's my birthday. And then you know about me, I love kids, so I just told her to just wait there, I'm just gonna get you something. So yeah, I'm just gonna get her some chocolates. So yeah, let's hope. The thing is, I don't know what to buy actually. I mean, chocolates, cavities in children, but I don't know, it's cute. So yeah, let's go. I hope. Wait, where is she? Finally, I'm going home. I just gave that chocolate to that kid. And I was like, okay, cool, let me just go home. I think I'll just go home, drink milk or just drink coffee and just put a trap, put this thing, paracetamol, and sleep. See you, good night. Bang! Tan! Son!